Prynhawn. For our young people, and indeed everyone in Wales, the last few months have been, and continue to be, a stressful time. It's been a time of anguish for people right across the country. And I am sorry that, for some of our young people, the results process has made that worse. That was not the intention of anyone, not me, not Qualifications Wales, and not the WJEC. But it is right that I apologise directly and unreservedly to our young people. I am truly sorry. Recent months have thrown up unexpected, new and complex challenges. We've had to take decisions and design new ways of working at incredible pace. Working with Qualifications Wales and the WJEC, we looked for an approach which provided fairness and balanced out differences in the standards applied to judgments in schools and colleges. But, as I announced yesterday, and given decisions elsewhere, the balance of fairness now lies with awarding centre assessment grades to students. I took the decision yesterday ahead of the results being released this week, so that there is time for the necessary work to take place. It was clear that maintaining confidence in our qualifications, whilst being fair to students, required this difficult decision. Next week, I will be making a further statement on an independent review of events following the cancellation of this year's exams. In the meantime, I want to congratulate and to thank all of our children and young people. You have shown incredible strength and resilience during the pandemic, and I hope that you can now step forward with confidence and ambition into the next stage of your education, employment or training. Diolch yn fawr.